We are going to spell words that you will hear me say aloud. Let's start with number 1 at the top of our page. The first word is ship, like the ship sailed across the ocean. Let's stretch the word together. Ship. Ship. How many sounds did we hear? Ship. There were 3. So we are going to fill in 3 dots to represent each of the sounds that we heard in the word ship. Now let's listen to see if we can figure out which letters make those sounds. The first sound we heard was sh. Do you remember which letters make that sound? SH. SH make the sh sound. The second sound we heard was I. Which letter makes the sound I? I. And our last sound was p. Which letter makes the sound p? P. Good job. Okay, let's move on to our second picture. This picture is shut, like I need to shut the door. How many sounds do you hear in the word shut? Sh, t. There are 3 sounds in the word shut. So I'm going to fill in 3 of the dots. Let's see if we can figure out what letters make those sounds. The first sound was sh, which was SH. The next sound was What letter makes the sound? U. And the last sound was t. What letter makes the t sound? T. Good job. We spelled the word shut. Our next picture is the word dish. Like I ate my ice cream out of a dish. How many sounds do you hear in the word dish? Listen as I stretch the word. D-I-sh. Dish. There were 3 sounds in the word dish. Let's see if we can find out which letters match those sounds. The first sound in our word is D. What letter makes the D sound? D. Good job. What letter makes the I sound? I. And our last sound was sh. What letters make the sh sound? SH. Good job. Our next picture is a picture of a rash. Our word is rash. Listen as I stretch the word rash. R-A-sh. How many sounds did you hear? There were 3 sounds in the word rash. Let's find out which letters go along with those sounds. Our first sound was R. What letter makes the R sound? R. Good job. Which letter makes the ah sound? A. And for our last sound, which is sh, which letters make the sh sound? Good. It's SH. And our last picture is a picture of a shot. Listen as we stretch the word shot. Sh-a-t. Shot. How many sounds did you hear in the word shot? There were 3 sounds. Let's see if we can figure out which letters go along with those sounds. Our first sound was sh. Good. It was SH. Our second sound was ah. O. And our last sound was t, t. T. We spelled shot. Good job.